Top fiber-rich foods that support gut balance. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and consuming fiber-rich foods plays a crucial role in supporting gut balance. Fiber aids digestion, regulates bowel movements, and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Here are the top fiber-rich foods that can enhance gut health and help maintain digestive harmony. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, offering around 10 grams per ounce. Rich in soluble fiber, they help absorb water, which slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, promoting gut health. 2. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and peas are excellent sources of fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber. They support regular bowel movements and feed the healthy bacteria in your gut, maintaining balance. 3. Artichokes. Artichokes are high in fiber, especially inulin, a prebiotic that nurtures good bacteria. This fiber helps improve digestion and reduce bloating while supporting liver health. 4. Oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that supports gut health by regulating bowel function and boosting beneficial bacteria. Oats also help lower cholesterol levels. 5. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a powerful source of soluble fiber that helps with bowel regularity. It absorbs water, softens stools, and aids digestion, making it an effective remedy for constipation. 6. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are fiber-rich and packed with antioxidants. Their fiber content aids in digestion and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. 7. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. They help bulk up stool and promote healthy digestion, while omega-3 fatty acids reduce gut inflammation. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli provides fiber that encourages regular bowel movements and supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. It also contains sulforaphane, which helps reduce inflammation in the gut. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. They also improve bowel regularity and prevent constipation. 10. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. They promote gut health by reducing inflammation and supporting digestion, making them a perfect snack for gut balance. Including these fiber-rich foods in your diet can significantly improve gut balance, digestion, and overall health. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for maintaining wellness, and fiber plays a key role in this process. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.